Dear colleagues and participants of the 4th AACC Congress, warm greetings from Palace of Justice, Putrajaya, Malaysia. Might I begin this message by expressing on behalf of myself and the entire Malaysian judiciary our hope that each and every one of you is safe and is taking necessary precautions during these trying times caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The Malaysian judiciary is making every effort to ensure that all members of the Malaysian public receive continuous access to justice without unnecessarily being exposed to the risk of infection. The need to ensure continuous access to justice is perhaps the most important facet of the rule of law as required by the Federal Constitution of Malaysia. Malaysia does not have a specifically constituted constitutional court. The obligation to uphold the validity of laws and constitutionalism befalls on all courts in the Malaysian judicial hierarchy. There are certain exceptional circumstances where only the Federal Court of Malaysia is allowed to hear certain cases, of which a vast majority are constitutional law cases. In most typical situations, the Federal Court is the apex court, the highest court in the land, having the final say in all cases of appeals from the lower courts, whether civil or criminal. Therefore, for all intents and purposes, the Federal Court serves to some extent as a constitutional court in Malaysia. The constitution of any state forms the foundation and lifeblood of any nation. Malaysia is no exception. In fact, all Malaysian judges, when taking their oath of office, do solemnly swear that they will preserve, protect, and defend the Federal Constitution of Malaysia. Our constitution, like most constitutions, governs not only the powers of the judiciary, but also significantly demarcates the powers of the branches of government, as well as those of the Federation and the states, the rights of citizens, and so on. I am pleased to note that 30th August 2020 marks the 25th anniversary of the Constitution of the Republic of Kazakhstan. I would like to wish Kazakhstan a very hearty congratulations in advance. I am sure that Kazakhstan as a nation and the Constitutional Council of the Republic of Kazakhstan especially will do a splendid job of continuing to uphold the Constitution of Kazakhstan. Incidentally, the Constitutional Council of the Republic of Kazakhstan will also be hosting the 4th AACC Congress, which I am certain will be up to AACC's high standards. In this regard, I would like to wish Kazakhstan all the very best. Finally, AACC is an institution built on the rule of law, constitutionalism, and effective justice. I strongly believe that if we remain committed to these values and continue to cooperate, we will prevail over this crisis. Please stay safe and take care.